Hey guys, I want to just show you how I clean some rust off of a wok. So I use this apple cider vinegar, and I put 50% in this in the cup, and then you see all that silver in the bottom. That was all rusty. So I poured the apple cider vinegar right here, 50%, and then the rest water into this cup, put it in the bottom. I let it sit for about 5 hours, and then I just scrubbed it with a yellow and green pad, and all the rust came out. You can see it's nice and shiny now. And I put some oil on it. That's why it's really shiny right now. I just put some cooking oil to keep the moisture off. So anyways, I mean, that was a pretty easy way to restore this wok, obviously, because I didn't want to have rust in my wok while I was cooking. That'd be pretty gross. So yeah, I found that this is like really, really acidic. And it worked great. So that's my 2 cents for the day. So if you want to clean an iron skillet, there you go.